Hi guys, Charmel Flemming from FTwelve. The conversation we've been having with business owners about whether to move their accounting to the cloud or not should really be replaced by how you move your accounting to the cloud. And in our experience of helping clients as well as how we implement systems and in our business itself, we identified 5 key focus areas. The first, most important, is to determine what your business needs are upfront. Have you ever gone to the shop to simply pop in to buy 2 things, so you don't take a trolley, you don't take a basket? 20 minutes later, you finally make it to the till and your arms are completely overloaded because you went strolling through the aisles and then you bought things you think you might need at a later stage. Same goes for accounting. There's amazing reports and apps and software out there, and it's really easy to get distracted and sign up and buy things that we think we're going to use and we simply just don't do it. So once we've determined what our needs are, we move on to the second step, which is then to start shopping. So what you really want to do is to find an accounting software that best matches your business and your requirements. Some of the aspects you need to look at is, how do you pay for the license? Is it a user per user or is it per company? If it's per company, are there any limitations to the number of people that may use it? Have a look at the flexibility of the system, have a look at the scalability thereof, and any limitations. If there are limitations, it simply means we'll have to add an additional app to it, which has other implications such as cost and training and integration, or we've got to find a workaround, which is not really ideal. Most service providers does provide a free trial period or a discounted trial period, and it's really great, and we should use that because that's when we get into the system, we understand what its limitations are, we understand where we can use it to really boost our businesses. The third element that we've got to look at is then, what is the support service that they offer? So to me, there's different support services. So there's either a phone-in option or an email-in option, or there's a combination. To me, how I communicate is irrelevant, and what is really important is that my query is resolved quickly and that the quality of the resolution is good, because you don't want to be going back and forth with a call center with the agent that's been assigned to your case. So quality and speed is important to me. Some service providers does have an onboarding agent or specialist, which is really great. They normally assign to you for a period of 90 days. And what that does is really helps you embed the system into your business, iron out all the kinks. And once they're done with the onboarding process, they then hand you over to a account manager, which is then your direct connection with the service provider. The fourth element that we have to look at is then running a parallel system. So we've determined what we need. We found a service provider that matches up with the business. The support is really great, and so now we run a parallel system between your old accounting software and your new accounting software. And you should really do it for no less than 6 weeks. 6 weeks because that is a full accounting cycle with a few days on either side, and no longer than 3 months, because then it just becomes a case of not making the decision and procrastinating. So we need to make a call and either move over or stay with a new system. When you do test the system, you need to feed the same input in so that you get the same output out. If that is not the case, it either means your new system hasn't been configured correctly and we need to make changes there, or it means your old system has been doing it incorrectly all along, and that has happened before. The fifth and the last element that we need to consider is that change isn't always easy. And that simply means we need to adjust the expectation. There's going to be staff training that needs to take place. People need to buy into the system. There is processes that needs to be changed, as well as any kinks in the system, the new system that needs to be sorted out, that we need to deal with. So we just really need to manage our expectation and the expectation of our customers and those of our staff as well. And so if you consider those 5 elements when you move onto the cloud, you should find benefit in that. And remember, the reason you do it is so that you as a business owner can have access to information faster, more accurately. Processing can happen from anywhere, and that it should benefit you as a business owner. And with that, have fun and enjoy, and good luck. See you later.